Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make carrot top pesto, super zero waste recipe. This recipe is inspired from the world famous Gittemary Johansen recipe. So if you don't know her, make yourself a favor and head over to her YouTube channel because she's amazing. Her YouTube channel is absolutely great if you're interested in zero waste. She's the YouTube queen of zero waste. Unfortunately, I did not have walnuts and I did not have a lot of extra virgin olive oil when I tried to make the recipe, so I just changed few of the ingredients that she used, but the quantities more or less are the same. Okay, super easy and quick recipe. First thing you will have to do is to just wash your carrot tops. I use both these and the leaves. Put it inside a blender. You will need to add the extra virgin olive oil and the walnut oil. Just close your blender and blend on high speed. And every now and then, if you see that the carrot tops are staying at the top of the blender, just push it down and close again and process again until it's not going to reach the consistency of a paste, basically. You can add the nutritional yeast, the garlic and the cashew nuts. Process it on a high speed. And again, every now and then, just open and push down the ingredients. At this point, by the way, you can add, if you'd like, a little bit of salt. Start adding literally a little bit less than a tablespoon and some black pepper. Blend it again until it's everything well mixed. This is, let's say, almost the final result, because in a little bit we're going to cook some spaghetti and we're going to use this as a sauce. There we go, this is the final result. We got tons of carrot top pesto, so we're going to use it in 2 times. It is for about 2 to 4 people, it depends on how much pesto you want to put in your pasta. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, head over my Instagram account, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!